Hog.
Oh! I'm alive.
Tracer.
How's that download coming, Dean?
Very slow.
Really?
Like my Blizzard apps is just fucked.
Yeah, no, Blizzard app is.
Oh, get fucked!
Oh,
Bad guy, top man. Bad guy, bad guy. Kill him all.
Okay.
Legion,
oh,
kill him. Kill him,
Hog.
kill him, kill him, kill him. Legion, why are you an anti? Legion, why aren't you killing him? What's going on? Oh boy, he's asleep, he's awake.
oh, how did die? Okay, I was like a solid,
But how
five-
did die?
the 5 second I died, my camera stayed with my
I
character.
understand that, but how
What?
did it die?
What?
How does one die?
Oh, I just fire struck.
Also, hard baby.
You know, birds and the bees, they get together, and all of a sudden people come out.
And they fuck.
The penis goes in the vagina and then it makes a thump thump sound.
What?
I'm uncomfortable.
Oh boy, I gotta run, I gotta run,
You're doing
I
great.
gotta run, I gotta run.
I'll tank
boy.
for you. Go in deep.
Oh, dang.
They're all down. Get in there, Steven.
Steve, go deep. Go
Steven, where are you?
I died, you were slow.
Steve, you gotta go deep and go.
Stop, no, no, I don't like this. I want off Mr. Bone's Wild Ride. Oh boy, that's a lot of damage.
It's a lot of DM.
Walk in with me. Walk in. Go, go, go. Walk me in, Steve. Come on, you're the tank.
I am not
Your
alive.
main tank. Get him, Steve. What are you
I
doing?
am dead.
Good job, Steve. You did great.
Fuck you.